Storm Team 6 certified most accurate forecast from Chief Meteorologist Kevin Gregory.
And hopefully you enjoyed the sunshine today, certainly a lot of it. And with the light wind that made our temperatures that stayed in the teens, which you might have found unacceptable if it were windy, were a little more tolerable. Beautiful down in Bloomington. You'll have a rain-snow mix for the second half of the weekend. We'll have more on that in a second. I just show you a true view radar so you can relax right now. Nothing happening this evening, tonight, most of tomorrow. It's not until late tomorrow night that we start talking about the potential for some snow. Temperatures, they've been cold for the entire month. So what's the temperature trend ahead? Not just for the beginning of the month, but toward the end. Kyle?
Kevin, yeah, it's been a fairly brutal month of February. It has been frigid. We have had a couple of mornings where we've dropped below zero. Today, our high temperature only getting to the 18-degree mark. And yes, it's winter. I understand that. But we should be in the mid-40s this time of year. We have a long way to go. And as we look at the month of March and the temperature outlook, calling once again for below average temperatures, but even those will improve as we go through the month. There you see the average high on the first, 45 degrees, 58. That feels nice. We would take average for the end of March right about now. But now that we've talked about the entire month, Kevin has what's going to be an active start to the month of March.
It won't seem like March 1st. We've got some snow on the way. We had 3 inches of snow last March, and we may see that in spots, obviously, this Sunday. Most of Sunday in play with not just snow, but the potential of rain and snow. Heaviest snowfall amounts will be north of Indy because that's where you're most likely to not experience a mix of rain or snow. 1 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, not much happening, but by 4, while you're sleeping, widespread light snow through central Indiana. Still at 7 a.m., nothing murky about the type of precipitation. In other words, it will just be light snow. It becomes a little more interesting as we go through the late morning to noon. From Indy south, you're transitioning to rain. Maybe a mixture of rain and snow right in the metro area at that point. It's staying all snow here consistently through the day according to our forecast model, which means you may approach 6 inches of snow there, and it will be less in Indy and areas to the south. Takes a long time for that to actually pull away. Snowfall potential. I think the greatest variability in how these numbers may change would be from Indy south as we get a closer look at this. To the north, these are likely to go up as you stay all snow. Temperature right now 16 with sunshine dominating. That feels like temperature at 5. At least it's not real windy. Temperatures through the evening hours won't take long. We'll be headed to the single digits. Crawfordsville's at 12. Temperature in Fishers 17. 3 degrees cooler than that in Zionsville. 2 is the record low for Indianapolis, and it happens to be the predicted low set back in 1993. 7-day planner. All eyes on Sunday. No winter storm watch or weather advisory yet. Waiting for a little more timing here, and it's kind of certain. As confidence not exactly high in how this will play out, but Sunday, especially in the morning snow, then it becomes more of a wintry mix for some of us. Next week, did you see that? Tuesday, 45. That's critical because maybe a little freezing rain in the morning, but then all rain in the 40s after that.
It's hard to miss something in the 40s.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kevin.